The Nikon ZF II has quickly become one of the most discussed rumored cameras in Nikon's modern lineup, not because of a single headline-grabbing leak, but because multiple independent reports are gradually aligning around the same idea. While Nikon has not confirmed any details, the Nikon ZF II is increasingly being viewed as the next step in Nikon's retro-inspired full-frame experiment, potentially expanding it into a far more capable hybrid system built for both photography and advanced video work. The foundation for all of this speculation goes back to the original Nikon ZF, introduced in late 2023. That camera stood out in a market dominated by highly technical, angular mirrorless bodies by taking a completely different approach. Instead of chasing futuristic design language, Nikon leaned into nostalgia, creating a camera inspired by classic film era aesthetics. Physical dials, mechanical style controls, and a minimal top plate gave it a distinct identity that immediately separated it from competitors. Yet beneath that vintage exterior was a fully modern full-frame imaging system that delivered strong image quality, reliable autofocus, and excellent low-light performance. That combination of emotional design and solid technical performance helped the original ZF resonate strongly with photographers who valued the experience of shooting as much as the final image. It wasn't just about specs, it was about how the camera felt to use. Naturally, once a product like that gains traction, attention shifts quickly toward what a successor might bring. By 2025, discussion around a Nikon ZF II began to grow steadily across rumor channels, industry leaks, and analyst commentary, with an unusual level of consistency in the direction of those reports. One of the most repeated rumored upgrades involves a new 24.5 megapixel full-frame partially stacked CMOS sensor. This type of sensor is primarily designed to improve readout speed rather than simply increase resolution. Faster readout helps reduce rolling shutter distortion, improves burst shooting responsiveness, and enables more stable high bitrate video recording. In real-world use, this would translate into a camera that feels noticeably quicker, especially when tracking fast-moving subjects or capturing continuous action. Alongside the sensor, the Nikon ZF II is expected to be powered by Nikon's next-generation X-Speed 8 processor. While processor upgrades often appear incremental on paper, they tend to bring meaningful improvements across the entire system. The X-Speed 8 is expected to enhance autofocus processing, improve subject detection accuracy, refine color rendering, and support more demanding video pipelines. It also plays a key role in handling the increased data flow from a faster sensor and more advanced shooting modes. Video capability is another area where the Nikon ZF II rumors become particularly ambitious. Some reports suggest support for 6K recording at up to 60 frames per second using NRAW, along with 4K recording at 120 frames per second in ProRes RAW. There is also mention of full 10-bit internal recording, which would give creators significantly more flexibility in post-production. If even part of this turns out to be accurate, the Nikon ZF II would move far beyond being a stills-focused retro camera and enter serious hybrid territory. However, as with all early leaks, not every claim carries equal weight. Internal RAW recording is widely considered plausible given Nikon's recent direction. But the more extreme combinations of high-resolution, high-frame-rate video, and compact retro body constraints raise engineering questions. Heat management, sustained processing load, and power efficiency often limit how far such features can realistically be pushed in a small chassis. Autofocus improvements are another major pillar of the Nikon ZF II speculation. Reports suggest a significantly upgraded system featuring around 273 autofocus points supported by AI-driven subject recognition. This system is expected to handle humans, eyes, animals, birds, and vehicles with greater speed and reliability. Some of the more optimistic leaks even suggest autofocus performance that could rival or exceed higher-tier models in certain shooting conditions, which would represent a meaningful shift in Nikon's internal product hierarchy. Burst shooting performance is also expected to improve significantly. Rumors point toward continuous shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second in RAW and up to 60 frames per second in JPEG mode. Compared to the original ZF, this would be a substantial upgrade in responsiveness, making the Nikon ZF II more suitable for action-heavy genres such as street photography, wildlife, and dynamic event coverage. Despite these performance upgrades, one of the most consistent elements across all reports is Nikon's commitment to preserving the retro identity. The Nikon ZF II is expected to retain its classic design language, including top-mounted dials, tactile controls, and the overall vintage-inspired body shape. This design continuity is central to the series' identity and is widely believed to remain untouched in its core form. At the same time, subtle refinements are likely to improve usability without breaking the aesthetic. A higher resolution electronic viewfinder is frequently mentioned, with speculation pointing to a 5.76 million OLED EVF. This would provide a sharper, more immersive viewing experience, especially for manual focusing and precise composition work. The rear display is expected to remain a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, maintaining the clean and minimal design approach that complements the retro styling. Ergonomic adjustments are also expected, though kept subtle. A slightly deeper grip and improved button spacing are commonly referenced improvements, designed to enhance comfort during extended shooting sessions. These changes would aim to improve handling while preserving the compact and classic silhouette that defines the camera's appeal. In terms of timing, most current speculation places the Nikon ZF II announcement around September 2026. This fits a typical multi-year refresh cycle following the original ZF's 2023 launch. While not confirmed, this timeline aligns with Nikon's historical product rhythm and current development patterns. In the end, the Nikon ZF II represents Nikon's ongoing effort to balance heritage design with modern imaging demands. Whether every rumored feature makes it into the final product or only a portion survives, the direction is already clear. Nikon is pushing toward a camera that maintains its timeless aesthetic while becoming far more capable, far more intelligent, and far more competitive in the modern hybrid camera landscape.